This is a video inspection of sewer line at 4680 South Washington Street, Englewood, Colorado 80113. I'm going to be cameraing from a clean out in the backyard right up next to this beautiful giant tree. So I've got a guide tube in there because this is a makeshift clean out. Guide tube's allowing me to camera back towards the home at this time. So this is a slight offset, stair step up, back towards home. And this is a repair. Looks like they added a 4-inch Y to accommodate added bathroom on north end of home, which is the clean out on the right, or the pipe on the right side of the screen. The pipe that's directly forward is for the original part of the home. There is a little bit of pulling here, but not too bad. Continuing on up this line. We've got a 45-degree turn here. There's another line coming into it there. I'm not quite sure where that one's coming from. Oh no, I do. That is from the kitchen sink. This is one of those old homes that kitchen sink left the foundation before tying into the sewer. So that's kitchen sink. This is the turn that brings me back in line with the cast iron that's coming out of the crawl space, I believe. So there's a little bit of buildup of sludgy stuff there, but I don't think that's what's causing a water leak. Pipe looks to be intact. No roots at transition. It is a cast to PVC transition. It looks to be intact. I don't see anything wrong with that one. It doesn't look like